Okay, it's May 26th and I've been here now 2 days. I'm waiting on a ride right now, my driver, to take me to the vanilla farm.
Are dry. This is how the beans we sell here are looking like. This is the texture we get. Very waxy, flexible, very sticky. Also, if you want to touch them, if you want to smell them, they have a nice aroma. Not really tasty yet because the vanilla gets better with age. Jamaican pepper, pimento, allspice in North America. So only one berry from a tree that has different flavors and aromas at the same time. Use it in cookies, cakes, pies, pork, fish. In Costa Rica, it's only called Jamaica. It just depends in the country. You will find it like pimentón, pimienta gorda is another name for it. Now this is cinnamon. What we add into the chocolate you tasted. Real cinnamon, true cinnamon, native to Sri Lanka. The most common one is called cassia or Saigon. That is a darker one, heavier, looks nicer, is cheaper to produce, and that's why we're getting more of this kind than the Ceylon. Ceylon is the first one we got in Mexico, in Central America. This one has a lighter color. It is softer also, easier to break it with your hands. Milder, citrusy, minty, spicy at the same time. So many different flavors and aromas. Is more complex and it's taking a longer time to grow than the cassia cinnamon. Smells so good. And it tastes like the chewing gum. Same flavor.
Definitely.
So that is the first one we got in Mexico, Central America. The only one we had for so many years. Now we're also getting that. This is very common because it is cheaper than the Ceylon. So that's the one they
Big red gum.
This is Ceylon, and then the regular one or commercial cinnamon, like in some stores call it, is cassia. Cassia is native to China, Vietnam, Indonesia. Sorry, it's just a different type of cinnamon. We have two different ones, that is the Ceylon and the cassia cinnamon.
How do you get this in powder form since it's soft? Or do you use some?
We grind it in a regular grinder. See?
Oh, okay.
It's the same way,
Like
and
in
we
a food
get
processor grinder?
we get the powder like this. I use a blender at home,
Okay.
and it works. That's what I use for all different spices.
Okay.
It works really well. In a coffee grinder will work also.
Mm-hmm.
But when you buy the Ceylon cinnamon powder, will be more like this. Cut out little pieces because that will be easier to work with. And then we do remove the green layer first. We will take it off. The second layer is the cinnamon. That's what we need to remove then. And then, if you want to taste this, pass it around, please. That's like the chewing gum. Sometimes it's hotter than this one is, spicier than this one is. Just depends on the tree, or more bitter than this one is. So we dry it out. This is from yesterday. And one day it's looking already like this. It's around 2 weeks and it will be ready to package or to drink. Taste them, and I'm going to add vanilla extract to see the difference in the aroma and the taste with the vanilla extract in there. It has the bean, but remember the bean has to be cooked. The extract already has all the flavors and the aromas. It makes a big difference in how it smells like, and a big difference in how it feels. And this is our chocolate chip cookie with the cacao nibs. So crunchy, nutty, not so sweet, not too soft also.
All these recipes are on your website?
Yes.
Okay folks, that's the end of this tour of the vanilla farm. If you want to see any more of it, you just have to come down here. There's a lot more to see. That's just a short part of it. It was about a 2-hour tour, maybe 3. I'm not real sure, I don't remember. It was such a good day, I can't remember. Especially the part after that, so it got even better. That part 2 of May 26th, will come in the next video, and that is the Rainmaker, walking across the suspended bridges and then going into a waterfall pool and swimming in it, and it was cold. But you'll get to see that in the next vlog I put up. Thanks for watching. Remember to like, share, and subscribe.